Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to merge multiple PDF in one without using any software in Mac operating system. How to do it? Let's check it out on my Mac screen. So here multiple PDF file is available. I just simply copy some of them, copy and just put it here, demo, click here, and now I want merge all the PDF file in one. I just simply open one of them. This is the PDF file and I want merge all the PDF continuously. Here sidebar display in thumbnail, open always the PDF file in thumbnail point of view and just simply select. Afterwards rest of PDF files, put it here, again select this one and put it here, the down section accordingly where you want put it this one, and you can verify your all the PDF file comes properly or not. If all the PDF file comes properly, then it's okay. Afterwards you just simply export all the PDF file, demo, just simply save as a demo file, open. I just simply close this one and open the demo, and boom, look at this, all the PDF file is merged automatically without using third-party application or third-party software. This is the simple tips and tricks. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.